Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here at businesswithtrading.com, doing a trading strategy recap for the 13th of August, Thursday, and today was an interesting day. Today we made 2 trades and pulled 5 points out of the market. Every day we go into the room, we go into trading, I know that I don't have to make a trade. And I also know that on average I'm going to take about 2 to 3 trades. And that may seem like a very small amount for 2.5 hours of watching the charts. But over time, that actually benefits us. By taking less trades, we actually do better. When I traded the entire day from 9:30 to 4 o'clock, I did well. But, when I cut it down to only trading 2.5 hours a day, I still did well. Because what I did was I got less aggressive. I was pretty aggressive when I traded from 9:30 to 4. Way more aggressive than I should have been. Way more aggressive than I should have been. And then once I honed it down to 2.5 hours, I was able to wait on my setups and focus a lot more. And that's one of the key things about trading only in the morning time, is that you can focus and wait for your setups and know that, you can work the numbers. Whereas when you're trading all day long, your brain gets frazzled and you're not able to focus as much, and sometimes, you can create things out of thin air. I'm sure that's happened to you before in your life in other areas. Maybe it's happened in trading, which isn't very good. But anyway, let's get into what we did today. So the market opened up in line, came down, started to chopped around, and then it started to move a little higher. So our first trade, we were long right here, and we got out right up here. Because as price was moving up, it did roll over, got us out, and it did come down a little more than what I was looking for it to do, but then it popped right up. So it was very interesting. We got long again over here, took profit, and then as it came down, we were watching it for a potential entry. It did come down a little more than what we were looking for, so we decided just to watch it and not do anything. And then it came up, chopped around, went up some more, and then it just took off to the upside. So it's pretty interesting. And you see that we were not in this trade here. We were not in this move. We're not in this move or this move. Trading isn't about being in every single move. Trading is about working the numbers. And when I realized that, that's when my trading started to get better. When I first started trading over 15 years ago, trading the ES, I did horribly. I made so many trades in a day, it was insane. And I didn't really have, a great strategy like I have now. I have an awesome strategy that really helps me out, and I know that on average, I'm going to be around 60 to 80% win rate. I think last time I looked, I was around like 76.2 or something like that. But that's where I know that my sweet spot is. I see some people on forums talking about wanting to be like 90-95% win rate. When you do stuff like that, you have to skew your reward to risk ratio in favor of risk. So you're risking way more than you're going to potentially make. And it's probably about a 3 to 1 or maybe 2 to 1 if you're lucky. So you'll lose $2 for every $1 you make, or you'll lose $3 for every $1 you make. Sometimes it's $5 for every $1 you make. I haven't seen many of the strategies that are like that, but one in particular, you're doing $3 to $5. You're losing $3 to $5 for every $1 you make. It's pretty ridiculous. There are much easier ways to make money. as our brains don't really like loss, and whenever we have loss, we have pain, and that creates a lot of negativity. So whenever we lose money, of course we don't like it, but we can choose to delay those emotions. But if you have so many losses, it's going to really affect you. You can train for that and eventually allow yourself not to feel that initially, even if you have a lot. But starting out, you're going to feel every single one. So you want to have a trading strategy that, errs on the side of caution and allows you to have the least amount of stress possible. And that's what that's what we do, basically. We take 2 to 3 trades a day, and we're able to, wait out things and have the least amount of stress possible, which makes it a lot more fun and also makes it more profitable because we're not worried about, oh no, I'm down 20 points, I need to make 20 points just to break even. We never get to that point. It would be very sad to be at that point. And I was there, 15 years ago. I was pretty horrible. I was losing money, making money, losing money, making money. Boom, there goes my account. And I started another one. I don't know a trader who hasn't blown up an account, who's successful. I know unsuccessful traders who've blown up accounts, but that kind of goes without saying. So anyway, I am going to leave you with that. If you have any comments, post them below. Love to hear your thoughts on this. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.